Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello, today we will draw this beautiful ice creams. Watch the video till the end. We need pink color, red color, yellow color, blue color, orange color, green color. Let's start. Please subscribe. I am drawing first ice cream.
Woo!
Second watermelon flavored ice cream. These ice creams are going to be so colorful after the painting.
Woo!
Third ice cream in a waffle cone. The fourth is icy.
Woo! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Orange color.
Woo! Now I know my ABCs.
Blue color.
Time won't
Woo!
you sing with me?
Red color.
Woo! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Pink color.
Woo! U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Yellow color.
Next time won't you sing with me?
Green color.
Woo!
Red color. Orange color.
Woo! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Pink color.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time
Yellow
won't you
color.
sing
Woo!
with me? A, B, C, D,
Orange color.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Green color.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Blue color.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Yellow color.
Won't you sing with me?
Red color. That's all. See you on next video.